The reason why I'd recommend Brian and the Fair Weather Group, I felt that the team were working for me to receive the best possible results. Hi, my name's Charlene Mullane. I live at 5 Shannon Avenue, Killarney Heights. I've recently sold my property through Brian Fairweather and his team with the Ray White Group. I chose them because of their straightforward approach. I felt a connection with the information that I was given and Brian himself, and I felt that he was going to be able to work with me and get the best price for me. I was really happy with the result of my auction. I received the price that I wanted and has enabled me to move on to the next part of my life. I felt that the team did the best to get as many people through the house, which was a great success. I was very happy with the price. I would describe Brian and his team as being a trustworthy team of real estate agents. The information that they gave me, I felt that they were working for me in the best possible way to sell my home. I would like to thank Brian, David and Irene for doing a great job with selling my home, for making me feel at ease along the whole journey. It can sometimes be very stressful with selling your own home, and I felt in the right hands all the way, and I really appreciated the professional job that they did. Thank you.